If your worldview feels good but falls apart under pressure, it's a lie. And there's a way to test any worldview, and I promise you that most fail. So I'm going to show you how to run a belief system through the fire. So everyone has a worldview, even the guy who says, I don't believe in anything. Well, that's a belief, and not all worldviews are created equal. Some give you answers, others give you excuses. So how do you separate truth from the trash? We got to test it relentlessly, intellectually, and existentially. So I'm going to give you 5 battlefield-proven tests to destroy weak worldviews and strengthen real ones. Number 1, logical consistency. Does it contradict itself? If someone says there's no absolute truth, we'll just ask them, is that absolutely true? Game over. All right, number 2, empirical adequacy. Does it match reality? Can explain the world as it is. Christianity explains creation, conscience, evil, beauty, design, and your brokenness, and so much more. Number 3, experiential relevance. Can you actually live it out? Try living like morals don't exist, and let me know how that goes when someone steals your car. Number 4, internal coherence. Does it hang together without collapsing on itself? If your worldview says all people are equal, but denies objective morality, again, you've got a problem. Number 5, external correspondence. Does it match history, science, logic, and the human condition? Well, Christianity aces it on every front. The resurrection, historical, evil, we account for it. Eternal hope, check. Okay? Atheism flunks morality. New Age can't define evil. Postmodernism contradicts itself every time it opens its mouth. Only the biblical worldview passes all 5 tests without flinching. And at APEX Apologetic, we call this the APEX Worldview Filter. It's to analyze, probe, examine, expose. And this is a tool for worldview warfare, and we use it to dismantle false gospels, secular lies, and cultural rot. So try it. Run any worldview through the filter. If it fails or there's too much explaining away simple things, just walk away. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and smash that like button if you want more ammo, hit subscribe to stay sharp, and drop the worldview you want me to evaluate in the comments. I'll pick one and expose it in a future video. Look, if your beliefs can't survive the truth, they were never worth holding in the first place. Test everything, hold to what is good, equip, engage, and defend. This is APEX Apologetic. Let's get to work.